This old guy DIY video has to do with my experience dealing with Gunfighters Inc. with this Kenai chest holster and some broken clips on the back. So this holster is for a Glock 20 10mm, and I bought this thing used. When I took a closer look at the back, I saw that two of these clips are cracked. So I sent an email to Gunfighters Inc. They replied and said, call the shop on Monday, we'll get this thing back and we'll fix it for you. I just spoke to a guy with their shop in Idaho, and he said, yep, we did have one batch that had bad clips. We've had several guys who go to get the holster to use it, and they find that it's cracked on the back here. So he said there was apparently one issue when these things were molded, and if I send the holster back to them, they'll pop out the rivets, they'll replace this little plastic clip, and they'll send it back to me. So I just made the label using the eBay shipping app. It cost me $5 to send this 8-ounce package back to Idaho. Today is February 10th, so I'll mail it to them with a little note telling them what my problem is with my name and address, and then we'll see how long it takes for them to get it back to me. But he seemed like a nice enough guy. He said they're sorry they had a problem with these things breaking. They'll make it right and get it back to me. When it comes to sporting goods and warranty related items, Vortex has the absolute best warranty I've ever dealt with. In their case, if you have something that's wrong, they send you a shipping label so it doesn't cost you anything. And they normally turn it around in 7 days or so. And in this case, the Gunfighters Inc., I have to pay to ship it to them. They'll pay to ship it back. I'll be curious to see how long it takes for them to return it.